Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many people encounter when working with Tkinter in Python. So, let's tackle this issue together and make your code shine. So, the problem occurs when you try to display an image in a Tkinter cell, but it's just not showing up. Frustrating, right? The code you provided seems to have a few issues, especially with the geometry method being incorrectly assigned in the function org, not being evaluated properly. Now, let's delve into the solution that can help fix this nagging problem. By making some tweaks to your code, such as correctly calling the geometry method, ensuring a reference to the photo image object is held to prevent garbage collection, and properly displaying the image using the org function, we can make the image display as intended. There you have it! With these adjustments, you should now be able to display your image in a Tkinter cell without any hiccups. I hope this solution has been helpful to you in resolving the problem and improving your Tkinter skills. Well, that's all for today, folks. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, like the video if you enjoyed it, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, coding is all about learning and growing. So keep exploring and have fun with your projects. See you next time.